Hello aspirants, myself Dr. Sonu Pawar at LN Next, and I'm here to tell you certain points which you should do before going up for your INI-CET exam on this particular 7th May. Fine. So basically what I like to tell you is the first point, review your notes. So notes which you have made up since in months now, in fact, which you have made for the NEET PG because recently only NEET PG happened up, review those particular notes, obviously along with certain additional information which you must have gathered up from the various material or YouTube videos and all that particular ones. So that particular thing you already have installed up into the notes. So you should see those particular notes, you should review them, and then only you should go up in the exam. Okay. So don't do that mistake of not reviewing your information which you have added recently. You should review that with that additional information only. Now, regarding the practicing and all that, giving mock test and all, now the exam is very near. So I suppose noon mock test, they are not to be given off. Just practice upon your previous test and discussions or mock test which you have given up, because that particular thing, if you don't see now, that effort of yours will go in vain. So you should see up that whatever mock test you have given up, what particular questions of yours have got wrong, that you should also see once, and then you should go into the exam. Okay. Before that, a general instruction is you should sleep well before that exam, because sleeping well ensures a very quiet mind for the exam, and obviously you could able to put up the logics in the exam if you have a quiet and calm mind. Is it fine? And a very important thing that you should have a proper breakfast made by obviously by your mother or any of the stuff which you are having. Fine. So besides this, important is that that particular breakfast should be nutritious. It should have an adequate amount of glucose, which particular thing like helps you to remain like active in the exam. Fine. So that particular thing is very important, that you should have a proper breakfast. Some students, what they do, like because of the early morning and all, they skip up that particular breakfast. And so basically that will obviously tire up your brains and all, and that will not be good for the examining sessions. You will feel somewhat anxious, and obviously you will feel hungry also, and all these particular things will not play a good role in playing up the exam. Fine. So that should be sorted. Besides that, the basic trick from my side is stay calm and quiet. You have sufficiently read. Okay. And up till now, it's all about revision. So you should revise up your particular things and stay calm and quiet. No need to panic up that this will happen, that will happen. What will happen? Let's see. Nothing will going to like happen off if something of the choice of yours does not happen on that day, because anxieties takes you nowhere. So you should not have any sort of anxiety. Okay. You should believe in yourself. And I always usually say that it's all the game of mindset, that you should have that proper mindset and positive mindset towards your life also, towards this particular exam also. And if you have so, you will excel in all the fields. Okay. Especially for those particular like students who could not able to get the good ranks in the NEET PG exam, for them it's a golden offer or golden attempt at INI-CET that they could cater up a beautiful rank and they could have a wonderful stuff. Like I have seen a lot of students who could not able to fare well in the NEET PG and all. They have got a very good ranks in the INI-CET exam. And INI-CET exam is getting equivalent to the NEET PG in terms of good seats, because now the lot of aims and these peripheral aims, they have opened up. And they have lot number of seats. Okay. And they have lot number of seats means that you have a fair chance to get a good ranks like these particular subjects, good subjects, even at 2000, 3000, and in the mock it can go way beyond. Fine. So don't take it that it is an INI-CET exam, what I will do and all. Don't go with this mindset. You will have a very fair chance to get a good subject of your choice in the exams. This I have observed up by seeing of the students, because what their mindset mostly is that if you could not able to get well in the NEET PG, what will happen in INI-CET? But it is not so. I have seen like opposite of it. They could able to crack this with a wonderful rank. And even though the rank, if it is in 2000, 3000 also, I have seen that they are getting a very good subject in the mock counseling stuff. Okay, so you should not lose up your heart if you have got a somewhat bad rank in the NEET PG and all. And in this particular INI-CET, go with a positive mindset and stay blessed. A very best of luck from my side. Thank you so much.